In additive manufacturing, success and profitability can be influenced by various factors. Among these, arranging multiple components in a three-dimensional space to maximize the use of a 3D printer's build volume is crucial. Fusion's True Shape innovative voxel-based arrangement method significantly enhances efficiency, reduces waste, and optimizes production processes by considering the actual shape of the component, thereby producing superior results during the packing process. Let's see how this arrangement method can pack components for a more densely packed build. After creating a setup, the option to arrange the parts for printing is available. In this situation, we have a group of parts that need copies created and packed efficiently in the build volume. From the selection of arrangements, the True Shape 3D Arrange can be chosen. The rotation and priority for each part can be set individually if desired, or a global setting can be used to control the packing for all parts. To print multiple copies, select the option and input the desired number. In the rotation section, it is possible to specify how the part can be rotated during packing for the X, Y, and Z axes individually. Next, select the clearance and spacing values for the platform and the parts. By selecting OK, the True Shape algorithm will quickly pack the components and their copies into a dense 3D arrangement in the printer build volume. The Fusion True Shape Arrange is an essential tool for additive manufacturing. It optimizes the placement of components for 3D printing by considering both the actual shape of each part and their arrangement within the build volume. This process enhances productivity and minimizes machine downtime, as fewer print cycles are needed to produce the same number of parts. Consequently, it ensures that your additive manufacturing processes are efficient, leading to increased production and higher profit margins.